Okay, today in the news, GTD deliveries have officially began. Yep, GTDs are landing at car dealerships across the country, and I want to give you an update on where ours is. You might hear a leaf blower outside because they're doing a lot of work in front of the units where we are located. Speed Phenom Film on the beach of Carlsbad, California. If you guys don't know where that is, well, it's a great spot. We do cars and coffees, as you can see here. Come out. We also do rallies, we wrap cars and PPF, ceramic coat, window tint, and more. So give us a call if you need anything, anytime. This place was started to help you guys, our viewers on the channel. But anyways, that's a cool super snake on the screen that we just wrapped. Back to the point of this video. Yes, GTDs are finally arriving, and I'm just so excited about it. Come on, this is the ultimate Mustang ever made. The reason I want to get it so bad is it's just a full throwback, in my opinion, to like the Boss 429. Let me show you a shot of that right now on the screen that I just pulled up. So Boss, let me explain to you why it's a throwback to the Boss 429. You're probably going like, no way this is, man. This is not a throwback. I think it is, because I love those side intakes. Where are they at? Right there. Ah, see those side intakes up high on the Boss 429? It's like hidden away right there if it'll load in easier. Let's do side intakes. It's really cool. It honestly is cool. And this is like the first Mustang for years to have side intakes. I'd love to have that car right there. Oh my gosh. It's the same car John Wick drove, right? How much are these going for? This is just side, you know, side topic right here, off track, for sale. Oh, 60 grand. Okay, not as much as I thought. Not as much as I thought. Anyways, the reason why I'm saying this is like the GTD is because look at those side intakes on the GTD right there. It's so cool. But yes, I know this car is built for the GTD, the Daytona class, the endurance class for these sports cars. But regardless, guys, I really do think with our allocation for this vehicle, it's going to be coming soon. Here's the full breakdown. I'll be honest with you guys. We could have had the car, I think, a bit earlier than we have. I told you guys that I wanted to get a special edition of this vehicle. And by getting a special edition, it inherently takes more time to get it. So if I would have gotten probably a base silver car, it would take much less time to build because it doesn't have all the special accent pieces that like Spirit of America would have, which is like the red and the blue paint, all the custom work on the wing. The point I'm trying to make is that with all these companies that we recently started lately, we own a track day company now. We wrap cars. We have so many other extensions and more that you guys don't even know about that are in the works right now. It's becoming a lot. I'm really excited and pumped to share with you guys what is with the future of Speed Phenom because the brand is expanding so fast. And when you're doing all this stuff, at times it's difficult to get a new car, then open this branch and do all these different things. So right now we're a little bit behind schedule with getting the GTD. I do hope to get it soon, but I'm really enjoying this new phase for the brand because we're not only after getting the latest and greatest cars nonstop, but we're expanding, you know, hosting a track day, having viewers come out and drive their car on an actual racetrack. That's cool. That's always been a dream of mine. And I'm currently working with the team on setting up the next track day. Not only that, but the giveaway is coming to an end. The SPS giveaway, where you could win a Ford Mustang GT. It's so exciting. You have, I think, 10 days or less. What day is today? The 21st. So literally it ends in 10 days or less, depending on when you're watching this video. It's crazy. It's crazy to think about. So don't wait. Get in on it now. You get 300 times entries per dollar spent for this promotion. And also, we have a mystery multiplier, which means you can get way more than that. From 300 times, 500 times, 1,000 times entries, or more per dollar spent. Go to speedphenom.com and see something you like, grab your favorite gear, and you get automatic entries into the giveaway. I'm very excited that it's coming to a close. It's been a really exciting one, and yeah, just don't get it on it too late. What are you waiting for? Go to speedphenom.com or click on the screen right now or down below in the description. Going back to what's going on with Ford, I mean, this car is the pinnacle with the Mustang. This is a car designed to go in the same class that the Ford GT was in. That's a big deal. It's also a pretty big car, as you can see right there. Hopefully, we get the chance to do a pretty cool review on it shortly. More on that to come, But with its state-of-the-art suspension system and more, this thing is looking crazy. Well, what I'm just trying to get at, guys, in today's video is that with the GTD making deliveries, which you can see all over the place online, it's pretty much turning exactly like a Ford GT, right? You have the one individual coming with a big trailer explaining to you all the features of your car. It's really sick. So make sure to check out some of the videos out there currently with the GTD deliveries. They're fun. They're fun. They're a fun watch. Hopefully, again, there's some deliveries out here in California, because most of the deliveries we have seen have been towards the East Coast. It's interesting because we used to be like getting like the very first cars, and again, with branching out, starting to the businesses, it's exciting because we're able to bring more to all of you guys, our viewers on the channel, and who have built this brand up. So I really appreciate all of what you guys have done to make all of this possible. It's been so much fun as of lately. So I just wanted to give you guys that update. A little bit longer of a wait for us with the Mustang GTD, but when we get it, we're going to have a lot of fun. Just doing what we do best, driving these cars hard. And I think with the lap time we got out of the 750S on Laguna Seca, I'm curious, can we get this new car to be anywhere near as fast or faster than the 750S? This is like the most expensive Mustang ever. Look at this one right here. This guy got his GTD with a black hood and all these other features on it. Here's the funny part, though. The funny part is that most of the people I know with the GTD right now aren't driving them. Do you know why? Because you need to wait 30 days before you put on paint protection film, which I put on this advert right here, for example. You need to wait at least a month before you put on paint protection film. The reason why is because they said the paint needs time to cure and fully seal, so that if you put on PPF too early, well, what happens? You could end up pulling paint. There's a lot of these GTDs getting built. Look at these cars, white, black. It's just, the car feels special, doesn't it? It feels really cool. Look at this guy, he's getting one. Oh, green will be cool. Nice. I'm pretty sure we're going to be seeing this car arrive at Monterey for Car Week shortly. Car Week's coming up, guys. Don't forget for that. Let's just do this. Let's go to Ford.com. Here you have the Mustang starting at $31,920. And then you have this Mustang starting at, they don't even say, but if we go back to regular cars, Mustang, we know this starts at $300,000. And then we know this car starts at $30,000. So we know that the GTD is 10 times more expensive than a Ford Mustang. So 10 times the price, what do you guys think? Is it worth 10 times the price? We're going to find out. I just have one concern, really. Is it times 10, by the way? Yeah, $300,000 is $30,000 times 10. Here's what I'm concerned about. I'm concerned about if this car is too similar to a GT500. Because we made this point in a previous video. The engine is pretty similar. The sound is pretty similar. The interior is pretty similar to a regular Mustang, and the shape of it is similar to a GT500, but bigger and wider. I mean, how different is it going to be than a GT500? It has a way better, more advanced suspension, of course, way more carbon fiber, but also weighs more than a GT500. So let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comment section down below. Do you think this car is going to be night and day different than a GT500? And then do you think it's going to be worth all that more money, 3 times the price of a GT500 carbon fiber track pack, and that's just off the starting price for the GTD. A little bit scared of the prices these days. Just gotta stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed that quick update for us here in the channel. Yes, the car is coming, or just a little bit behind schedule than usual because all these companies that we've been launching lately. And I'm excited. I'm just letting you guys know, check out the videos online right now. They're really cool. Deliveries are happening. We're probably going to see many more. Hopefully these people will drive the cars soon, because the wait to get PPF is a long time. And if you have a GTD, let us know. We'll love to paint protect your vehicle, put on PPF, ceramic coating, window tinting, or more here at our studio on the beach of Carlsbad, California. Speed Phenom Film. And lastly, don't forget, get entered right now into the giveaway. It's ending on July 31st. So the clock is ticking. Don't wait. Get in on it now. We have more entries than ever. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button to help me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. I'll see you in the next episode.